Got a beautiful morning. Sun's coming up right there, nice and bright. So I'm going to do this little word study on the word darkness, which is the opposite of this. We have the light of Christ in us, and we have that beautiful, brilliant, powerful energy by God's Spirit that's within us, and we shine bright to the world even though it's immersed in darkness right now. And the world mites of this darkness, we live in it, and we know what it's all about as a believer. God has given us the spiritual insight to know behind the scenes the operation that's going on in this current eon, this current wicked eon. It's heavy duty darkness, and I wanted to bring this word out because we contrast what's in us, what's in the world, and what's in us is the complete opposite. God has given us light, His Spirit, to be illuminating those around us in this world of darkness. Here we go with the Greek. Is right there, skotos, I believe. The concordant scripture, Romans 2:19. Besides, you have in confidence in yourself to be a guide of the blind, a light of those in darkness. 2 Corinthians 4:6, for the God who says that out of darkness light shall be shining is He who shines in our hearts with a view to the illumination of the knowledge of the glory of God in the face of Jesus Christ. 2 Corinthians 6:14, do not become diversely yoked with unbelievers. For what partnerships have righteousness with lawlessness? Or what communion with light has light with darkness? Colossians 1:13, who rescues us out of the jurisdiction of darkness and transports us into the kingdom of the Son of His love. Romans 13:12, the night progresses, yet the day is near. The day is near. We then should be putting off the acts of darkness, yet should be putting on the implements of light. Ephesians 5:11, and be not joint participants in the unfruitful acts of darkness, yet rather be exposing them also. 1 Corinthians 4:5, so that be not judging anything before the season, till the Lord should be coming. He will also illuminate the hidden things of darkness and manifest the counsels of the hearts. And then applause will be coming to each one from God. Ephesians 5:8, for you were once darkness, yet now you are light in the Lord. As children of light, be walking. I love this one, Ephesians 6:12, for it's not ours to wrestle with blood and flesh, but with the sovereignties, with the authorities, with the world mights of this darkness, with the spiritual forces of wickedness among the celestials. This is our daily deal right now. And the final one here, 1 Thessalonians 5:4 and 5. Now you, brethren, are not in darkness, that the day should be overtaking you as a thief. For you are all sons of the light and sons of the day. We are not of the night, nor of the darkness.